Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So just before we start getting underway, just want to clean up all these charts. Okay, so at the moment we have pretty much broken above this structure in the middle, and these three levels here are pretty much structure, and that is 34,345, 34,240, and 34,125. So those are the areas of interest that I have at the moment. So firstly, there are a couple of things happening here. So first thing on the oscillators, have a look at the previous high where the oscillator was. Look where the oscillators are at the moment. Okay, so that is high, lower high, high, higher high. That is diversions. That is continuation diversions to the downside. Now that is pretty much what we're looking at the moment. So we did close above it on Friday, sort of above this trend line here, but there probably is a bigger one that we need to pay attention to, which would be something like that, which is that previous high. So for now, let's just delete that one. That is our trend line at the moment. Okay, so big consolidation area. There's nothing really that I can add there. I don't really want to be long up here. I'd rather be long lower down. Now remember, we still have this big inverse cup and handles, or even a head and shoulders. It's a shoulder on lower time frames here. A massive head and shoulder. So we've still got this target to the upside that needs to be done, and that is kind of there to there. So that is a target of 35,200 at the moment. For me, not looking to be long up here. Okay, if you look to the left, there is quite a bit of structure, but let's just get this off the hour. It's going to make life a lot easier for us. So you can see I need to add one more level in here, which is pretty much where price is at the moment. Look at all the support that was found here in the past and resistance. So that is 34466, which is kind of where we are now. And you can see on Friday we were like banging our head above there, and then eventually shot above it to close. So all I'm going to do now is just adjust like that. At the moment we are trending to the upside. There is no reason to be looking for any shorts at the moment. These groupings of the oscillators does worry me a little bit of jumping in long at this level. I'd be wanting a bit of a pullback. The pullback could happen right here at 34,466 or 34,500 area. So we are sort of just above it at the moment. So that could be offer support, or it could drop a bit lower, come and find this moving average. No, sorry, not moving average, but find this trend line here. Sorry, I don't have it drawn properly. There it is there, which would come and find the moving averages. So this would come into play here of 34,370, and if you look to the left, you've got that area there, and then you've got this area here, and that would be a deeper pullback. That would be a really decent pullback, but that would erode all of Friday's gain, so I don't see that happening. The weekly bar was pretty much, if you count the last 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see we opened here, dropped a little bit, came up, so it's a little tail to the downside, and then we closed on a high. That is a bullish bar on the weekly. That's been an extremely bullish week, and I'd expect that to continue, to be honest. So pull back on structure, get me long. So the structure I'm looking for is around 34.74. Worst case scenario would be 34.241. I won't say worst case scenario, but I mean that's as far as I think it'll fall. I don't really think it'll fall beyond that, but I think this is more than likely the area to pay attention to. 34.370 gets me long again, and you're going to be getting out at 34.576. That's a 200-point trade for the day. That's perfect. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.